Conference rooms may be a shared space, but you can adapt them for social distancing. Remove chairs to 1/3 capacity and stagger seating so that no one sits directly across from each other. Acrylic sneeze guards can be placed down the center of the table and even between chairs to create a safe barrier. Set up a cleaning caddy in an accessible location along with signage to indicate pre- and post-meeting procedures, and place hand sanitizer in a convenient location. Wipe and relocate all tech to a designated spot after every meeting. This will help ensure only necessary touch points and regular cleanings. As restrictions ease, you'll want to continue cleaning procedures, but adjust to reflect current best practices. You can increase seating capacity, but still encourage social distancing by placing a limited number of seats back around the conference table, and extra seats in the corners of the room. Consider tablet chairs for mobile seating in a meeting space, and adding a mobile power cart to prevent crowding around available outlets. You can utilize removable acrylic sneeze guards that can be stored during low-risk periods, and easily added back when needed. Following this guide can keep all manner of meetings in the conference room safer while being as productive as ever.